Yo, what does this button do?
Push P.
YouTube. Damn, I don't even know how to record. I don't think I know how to record still, but what's going on, guys? It's your boy back with another video. I haven't recorded in since September or like October. I think that was my last video when I dynoed the Golf. It's February now and 2022, and yeah, today in this video the homie Bryant, Uncle Wang, he's bringing over his Mark V Supra, and we're gonna go ahead and do a downpipe install for him. This is gonna be interesting. It feels, I literally haven't picked up this camera in like 5 months. I don't know what's going on, but we're about to just have a good time, try to start the year right. I'm trying to make more videos. I just don't know what to make though. Go ahead and drop a like right now and subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, let's just jump into the video. Is that a TOMEI dog?
Who? Oh, okay. He's just going by himself? Yeah. Whatever.
Hey, I'm kidding, y'all. No, he's at work. Yes, sir. Gyoza. See the downpipe? Let's see what we're working with.
Where is it? Oh, hella small.
What brand is this?
CTS.
Oh, CTS Turbo, same as my Golf.
Let's go. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited.
Okay, getting some power gains today. God, look at this fool. Why you look like that?
Wait, what's the mic on backwards?
Because I can talk in it.
Oh.
So first things first, we're taking off the O2 sensors. We got one off, but there's two. One on the top and then one right below it a little bit. Can probably barely see it, but it's in there. This one?
So what's happening right now?
So I finally broke the bottom O2 sensor.
You broke it?
Aha, it's right here. I broke it loose. It
Yeah.
looks like it's connected to still to something.
What?
That right there.
No, make it. Do a meet. Well, downpipe, bro.
Say that again?
This shit is what?
Boy, look at you.
Downpipe versus a VSF downpipe.
No, it's
This is
CTS. Oh my, oh man, that's hot. Let's show them the difference with the
The bigger, the
resistance.
better.
Look at that. No resistance. CTS downpipe. Resistance. Stock cat.
BMW downpipe.
Off that one over there?
Oh, not a piece.
Right here.
Huh?
Let me get the other one on the other side.
This one, then. Wait, this way.
To the right. Other way, other way. Alright guys, so we just got the aftermarket downpipe on. Look at me, I sound like an actual YouTuber.
Oh! Okay.
About to hear the first start. This is TOMEI intake and CTS CATLESS Downpipe.
You ready?
fool. Clean ass fool 2. Clean ass fool 3. Dirty ass fool. What we doing, Bryant?
Yeah, we're gonna get some Sports Plus mode. Push it. We gotta push it.
Noah's trying to push some P in this Supra right here. He's trying to
Push P.
add Sport Plus. That's what Noah has on his Supra, and somehow he manages to beat GT3 RS's. Wiggy, 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 wiggy.
Not me though.